If you have ever done a key for this car, you can always redo another key. So we're just gonna show you guys how you're gonna do that. Also, every key that you guys doing, you should read the EIS, so you can always prepare a key even without the customer being next to you. You can always send them the key later on. So we're gonna go expert selection. You need to know what date you did the key. So we're just gonna go to key, IR. We're gonna go to generate key file. Now we're gonna need to use the EIS that we have saved in that day. So in this case, it was in the 19th. So we're just gonna hit OK. It's loading the file. And we have already the password. We can verify that that was the password, just like if you kept it in you guys' camera or something. But yeah, this is my code. So we're just gonna use key number 8, and we're just gonna hit OK, and it's a half smart key. We're gonna hit OK. So again, if customer needs a key, you can always do that, and you can provide them the key without needing to be there. So now we have a path, so we're just gonna save this, and then we can do write BE key file, and we're gonna insert the key. Now we're using an Xsource key, so it does not have any batteries inside. And now we can just go for today, which is gonna be the last one here, and it's key number 8. So we can just press that, and then we can see it's communicating with the key. Okay, so file being written completely. So now we can check if this key start the car and turn the ignition on. It's gonna do that. This is just a way to show you guys how you can do the job without being next to the vehicle. If you read the EIS data and you have the password, you can always prepare more keys for the customer, and you can ship it then to them or something like that. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. So since we have the car next to us, we can make sure that it works. So this is the key that we written. Off the bat, it's not gonna work until you put it in the ignition. And if you're gonna look here, it's gonna be like a small red light. So we're gonna insert it to the ignition. And as you can see, you heard the unlock going.